Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to add widgets on lock screen and home screen on iOS 18. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If you want to add a widget to your home screen, this is the process which you can follow. And the process is similar to add a widget to your lock screen. For that, first go to your home screen. Then find the home screen page where you want to add the widget. Then touch and hold the home screen background until the app begins to jiggle. Third, tap Edit at the top of the screen, then tap Add Widget to open the widget gallery. 4. Scroll or search to find a widget. Tap it, then swipe through the size options. The different sizes display different information. 5th, when you see the size you want, tap Add Widget. 6. While the app are still jiggling, move the widget where you want it on the screen, then tap Done. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.